Cass is showing me Kendrick's performance of the Super Bowl for the first time. I haven't seen it yet.
Do you like Kendrick? He's a tiny king like you, Jimmy.
I have never met a clingier dog in my life, honestly.
What are you hiding from, Jimmy? I got you. Come on, good boy.
My neck really hurts, so I'm gonna go lie on this. Cass is making us breakfast sandwiches, and for those of you who don't know, Cass is actually a former sandwich artist. Cass has worked at three different sandwich shops in their life.
That's what I did like all through high school and the first time I was in college.
They've been a sandwich artist for years. I do love a breakfast sandwich.
We've got cheesy eggs.
Oh, hell yeah.
I likes her bacon extra crispy. Squeesh. All you need.
That looks amazing, my love. We're about to watch the Lady Gaga Hot Ones. Chicken's food bowl and water bowl needs to be refilled. Cass always gives chicken just one scoop of food, and Cass gets so indignant when I fill his whole bowl. And I'm like, why? Why are you trying to starve him out?
Good boy. Sit. Good boy, sit. Okay. Good boy, sit. Huh? Spit. 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 Good boy, sit. Wait. Okay. Yeah, good boy. Good boy.
Cass doesn't like me hand feeding him.
I don't mind, but I just think it makes him even more codependent.
So what? Baby chicken and I are a little codependent, yeah?
Nothing wrong with the little codependence, yeah.
Oh my god.
He loves to eat from my hand, baby.
What am I supposed to do?
He loves to eat from my hand.
What am I supposed to do besides hand feed him every day?
Spin. Good boy. Spin. Good boy, sit. Pop. Good boy, sit. Wait. Oh my god. Okay.
Good boy.
Yeah, food is so much tastier from mommy's hand, huh? You're not right to me. You're so silly. Sit. Okay.
Good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy, yeah.
Who's hunkies? Who's hunkies? Huh? Okay.
Chicken, you wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk? Yeah.
Like while you do
It's not scary. We literally do this multiple times a day.
It's so scary every time.
And yet he's no.
Did I say okay? He's chewing it as I'm talking. You are so disrespectful. No, you are so disrespectful.
He said, oh, yum.
We just got back from walking Chimmy on weekends. Cass and I try to do little resets for the apartment. Things like laundry, cleaning up our offices, maybe giving Chimmy a bath, cleaning up my closet, all of that boring stuff. Let's get started.
Start!
You want to get inside the office?
Why?
So you can just mess it up. Yeah. First things first, I have to tidy up the office. Put away just some of the makeup. Also, chicken is slowly destroying the Snorlax. He always sleeps on its head, so it's getting malformed. He scratches the shit out of its eye every time he settles down. I'm trying to train him out of it, but the damage was already done when I came back from Asia. I also just have to quickly reorganize this nail area and my office. While it is not a complete disaster yet, a verge of a disaster is coming if I don't tidy up. We're just gonna go ahead and do that today. And also, we're gonna tidy up my closet because, yeah, I feel like, you guys know I struggle with this, so we're just gonna get this handled. On reset days, I need more energy than usual, and I'm feeling pretty lethargic today, so we have this magical nectar in the form of Vietnamese coffee. So let's drink that. I'm so lethargic. This will heal me. I feel the energy coursing through me. Let's get this place cleaned up.
Hi.
Oh, look who made himself comfortable. Isn't that interesting? I'm glad that I just made you a glorified dog bed. I'm very intrigued by this Super Boost skin tint from Makeup Forever, so let's try it. Ooh, I love this color. Desk clean. Nice. Let's clean up this area now. Okay, the floor is clean. I've been trying to use my walking desk more while I work. Helps me stay concentrated. Hard to be distracted when you're also working and walking at the same time. Hello friends, Camden has come over. He is actually using our gym right now, so I am going to be making us dinner. We originally planned to have hot pot, which I was so excited for, but then I realized we ran out of butane, which means that we can't use our gas stove to have our delicious boiling soup going. So instead, we're pivoting and I'm figuring out what we're gonna eat for dinner instead. I think we're thinking maybe either mapo tofu, though that's also an issue because the meat isn't defrosted yet. Pivoting from mapo tofu, I'm gonna go ahead and just make my Taiwanese breakfast egg wraps that you guys have seen me make before. I am just gonna prep the ingredients. Cass is pretty hungry, so once Camden is done working out, we can eat. And also, we're gonna be playing Mario Party today, which is one of my favorite video games of all time. I'm very excited. Right now, I'm just making the sauce that goes on top of the pancakes. Defrosting the meat just in case we do end up wanting mapo tofu. Good. I hope you like
God,
it.
It looks so good.
Cammy's taste test.
Once we have chili crisp is important. On TikTok, someone was like, "My ideal woman is Laogama." I'm gonna put it inside. Okay.
Wow. Mukbang.
Oh my god.
It's fire. It's okay.
It's fire.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's more than okay.
What could be heightened? Can I try it?
Let me tell you what would send it over the edge to me. It's like something sour or like a pickled thing in it. One strip of like pickled carrots or something.
You're making an entirely new thing.
Do you not agree? Imagine it.
I'm imagining it. Cass and I have been working all day, so we were like, oh, let's have a cute little date night.
You thought.
It's 3 degrees outside because of the wind chills. Someone just passed by us wearing shorts. We should be very careful about where we're walking. It rained last night, so a lot of the streets have ice on them. Quick stop at this huge store. One of my favorite Korean brands of all time. My favorite Japanese makeup brand. Cass's favorite Japanese skincare brand. This hand cream.
Choose your fighter.
So cute. I would choose the Pom Pom Pudding. Who would you choose?
Tuxedo Sam.
Oh, these shits are so good. Cass loves this fabric spray.
Please sponsor us. Luxury Relax.
Oh my god. A Hung Yodon bath bomb. So iconic.
Divas.
My queens. Blinks Rise Up. Iconic honey hair oil. I actually like this argan rich one more, but I do love her as well. Anymore, we've decided to try a new restaurant. I wonder if it's any good. Dumpling Kingdom. The worst part for me is the unbuttered. Cass and I like to look at Google and Yelp to see what people recommend because we want to get yummy food, you know? Cass got the spicy braised beef noodle soup. It's satisfying. Wow, it's really filled to the brim.
Pretty good, yeah.
Cass's favorite part of any dish, the meat. Cass doesn't see anything else. Our server recommended these pea shoots with garlic. And then I got the flounder fillet in mala sauce. Cass got these bao buns.